How to use CountIFS function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explainer video series, I'm going to explain the CountIFS function and I'm going to talk about the parameters and how we can use it. Let's get started. Count function is used to count cells. Okay, we have talked about the count function, count a function, count blank function, and also count if function. And in this tutorial I'm going to talk about count ifs function. The main part of count function is that it is going to count a cell inside a certain data range. Now in the count function it will count how many cells have numbers in it. In count a, how many cells have any values inside it, that is count a. In count blank, it will count how many cells are blank inside your data range. And in count if function, it will count the cells based on a single criteria. CountIFS function is going to count how many cells you have based on multiple conditions. Okay, the best way to learn a function is to apply it, and I'm going to apply the CountIFS function. And while I'm applying it, I will explain the parameters and how we can use it. So write equal to CountIFS. And here is the CountIFS function, and you can see it says counts the number of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. So it will count the number of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria that you specify. So the first parameter is criteria range. So I'm going to count how many times we have John inside it. You can think about it this way: where you want to count, that is criteria range. And if I press comma, and now criteria 1, it means what you want to count. So I'm going to count John. And if I close parenthesis and press enter, you can see 4. So in this data range we have John 4 times. So this is how CountIFS works. Now let's expand the function and add another criteria. If I press comma here, and it is asking for the second criteria range, so I'm going to select this data range as second criteria range, and if I press comma, it is asking for the second criteria, which I will be selecting this one. Now I can also press enter, and you can see I'm going to find out the results. How many times we have John and e-commerce inside this data range, and we have only one occurrence. This is the range where the both conditions met. Now if I expand the function a bit, select third criteria range, and if I press comma, asking for the third criteria, and let's expand it a bit more. Press comma, select the fourth criteria, and if I press enter, you can see it's only 1. So if I change it here to James 0, if I change the category and product name, it changes. So this is how CountIFS function works. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please support the channel through Patreon. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.